Hi, today we're gonna share, we already shipped our new map features on the app. Our engineer will explain more details how we developed this feature.
Progress update. Hello everyone, this is Ranshiru, the person in charge of the engine. As for the progress on supervision, we've made changes to the map style. Previously, the map design used a more formal, humble tone, but there were issues with information getting cluttered, and with the existing map, there were quite a few areas that were hard to read. So, in order to propose something more suitable for our service, we're working on changing the design. So, we've been diligently working on setting up the most appropriate map configuration. Currently, the map implementation extensively uses the robust Google Maps library. The map's visual style can be precisely set using a specific JSON file format, so by carefully changing the contents of that particular file, we've been successfully able to update the map's overall design. What you're seeing now is the previous, more conventional design, but this time we've made it entirely new and refreshed. That's precisely how it ultimately turned out. Please kindly wait for just a brief moment. As you can clearly see, it's significantly much cleaner now, and I genuinely think the vibrant colors now perfectly match the overall aesthetic and cohesive UI as well. For these specific and carefully chosen colors, I actually collaborated very closely and worked together with our exceptionally talented and dedicated designer, Yuki, to meticulously create this truly stylish and visually appealing design. However, the initial process of setting this up was indeed a little bit tricky and presented some interesting challenges. It took quite a bit of time and effort to figure out how to adjust things and how to translate the desired design into this chaser format. But somehow I managed to get it pretty close to the design I was aiming for. And I think that's one of the things I was most careful about this week. What I'm actually doing is pretty simple, but it wasn't easy to get there. When the design changes like this, it really makes a big difference. You could say that you can really see the significant progress that's been made. Well, we'll continue moving forward like this. We'll keep pushing ahead with development. And even if it's just a little, we hope to get closer to the ideal product. So we appreciate your continued support. That's all from me.
So how was our update? So we will continue to update our new design, new features for the users, so that you can use more intuitively, more friendly, more fun for travel. So if you have any requests about feedback or app, design, features, so please comment. We'll see everything. We prioritize your idea. Let's make together. I tap on nearby restaurants and choose sushi. This spot was recommended by locals.